Today I want to take a quick look at farmland values in Hardin County and why this market continues to perform so strongly. Hello everyone, I'm Pat Lenz, your Central Iowa land specialist with High Point Land Company. Hardin County sits on the eastern edge of the Des Moines Lobe, home to some of the most productive soils in the state. With proper drainage, these high-quality soils produce exceptional yields. The county's average CSR2 is 85, which tells us we're working with top-tiered ground. That kind of quality helps Hardin County raise some of Iowa's best row crops. In addition to crop strength, Hardin is also one of the leading pork-producing counties in Iowa, and that livestock presence helps drive even more demand for land. In 2024, the average farmland sales price in Hardin County was over $13,000 per acre, or roughly $153 per CSR2 point. That's a strong number, and it reflects both the quality of the land and the continued demand in the area. As we move through 2025, we're still seeing strong sales across the board. Why? Because supply just hasn't met the demand. There simply aren't enough farms hitting the market to satisfy the number of buyers. Land rarely changes hands there, and when it does, local buyers are ready to act fast. That kind of competition helps keep values high year after year. If you've been thinking about selling or just want to get a better idea of what your land could be worth in today's market, I'd love to have a confidential conversation. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions.